All right, we now have our board at the radial arm saw, which is this saw here, which is going to give us a nice 90-degree cut on our board. So the things we want to be aware of is, one, you need eye protection, and two, when you put your board against, you want to look at this here and where the board meets the rail, that there should be as small a gap as possible. There should be no shadow line here. So if there is a shadow line, you can just flip your board over and then do it on that side and re-register your marks onto the other side of the board. But for us, this side works really well with no shadow. So what we're going to do is, with the machine off, we are going to unlock the arm with this knob here. We're going to slowly bring the blade out so that it just lines up with the right side of the blade to our line. And then once we have it in a place that we are happy with, we are going to position our left hand supporting the board against the fence, and it has to be at least one fist away from the blade. I usually do about shoulder width, and we are going to always be holding on to the saw. So we are going to have it unlocked. We're going to start the saw, then we're going to make our cut, then we're going to return the saw, switch our hands, turn the saw off, and relock the blade. And again, you have to remember for eye protection, and I'll show you how that works. Okay, unlocking the saw, turning the machine on. And now we're ready to do our second cut. Everything is the same as the first. Line it up with the line, and always make sure while the machine is on, you have one hand on this arm here controlling the saw. The next step after the radial arm saw is we're going to move over to the jointer.